welcome to Pidgin News Network, where we dey sama una with the latest news for Naija and obodo oyibo, yarns as e dey pan for we street, parable as dem with papa dey talk am, tori as e dey flow from we street go everywhere. My name na Ororo Pataya 20km, the news sabi news. Una welcome to Pidgin News Network World News. Dem say nobody fit know wetin dey another person mind, na im make for this world now. Person go say you talk say I no talk say, nobody trust anybody again because of this corona matter. Director General of World Health Organization don condemn wetin French scientist Dr. Jean-Paul Mira talk say dem go come use Africa test corona medicine. We don tell am say the thing wey dey worry am na colonial mentality hangover. Oga Donald Trump don talk say dem go withdraw their spending of money for World Health Organization because dem dey follow China for this matter wey dey ground, and dem no quick take action, so dem go cut their money go down. After 3 months of lockdown, China don open Wuhan, the place where corona from start, so that people go fit dey do their waka waka and do their business. Stay at home na so dem talk. Who no hear go hear am. For Kenya, they don arrest the deputy governor Gideon Saburi for say e go do party after e come back from Germany. South African president don tell communication minister Inda Beni Abraham to come see am sharp sharp as she go do chop for im friend house. For England, Manchester City Football Club don dey investigate their player Kyle Walker, say e organize sex party. Nigeria nko police arrest Funke Akindele and im husband for say dem do party wey over 20 people come. Dem don sen ten ce dem go 2 weeks for community service plus 100k fine for wetin dem do. 5G or no 5G, Pastor Chris versus government.
This is part of what's going to lead to the most devastating economic fall, economic crisis in the world. What's coming is terrible.
Pastor Chris talk say federal government lock down Abuja and Lagos so that they go do their 5G magic, but the Nigerian Communication Commission say who side say no be true. Dem say link no dey between 5G and Koro. Dem say 5G no even dey Nigeria as we dey talk. Say if we see anybody wey dey dig ground wey dey put fiber cable, na because since this Koro start wey we dey lockdown, everybody dey talk for phone, everybody dey do business for on top of phone. So all the telecommunication network dem dey expand their power so that network palava no go dey. Edo people don dey jubilate say this coronavirus na blessing wey wear mask, as e be say the battle wey dey between Obaseki and Oga Oshiomhole wan turn Edo to war zone. But now with Koro, nobody dey fight again. Everybody dey maintain and cooperate for the sake of Koro. My people, make we go around the world sharp sharp for news as e dey happen. 40 medical staff wey dey fight Koro for Naija don enter isolation. Lagos State University Teaching Hospital Idiaraba na 12, University of Ilorin Teaching Hospital na 28. Femi Gbajabiamila, Speaker of the House of Representatives, talk say the medical sabinus wey dey come from China, make we no fear, dem go put them for 14 days quarantine before dem begin their work. Even Minister of Health Dr. Osagi say the medical sabinus dey come here with over 1 million masks. No mask, no movement. Na so Governor Ben Ayade of Cross River State talk. He say anybody wey dem catch wey no wear mask for public place, no matter who e be, na 14 days quarantine. Bam! And he talk say any motor wey carry passenger wey no wear mask, dem go catch the motor and na 300 kpali dem go take bail the motor. President Muhammadu Buhari don approve employment of 774,000 people to dey sweep with street, market and clear with gutter for 3 months. That is to say 1,000 people from each of the 774 local government area for Naija. This na Koro national cake support for people wey no get. President also talk say make state dem make dem no pay interest on the loan wey dem dey pay. My people, this na Pidgin News Network. I hail una. Kpakam.